Welcome back to the channel, and one of the things that as a non-American that I am finding increasingly interesting, and to be honest, starting to notice um, here in Australia we get the non-Americans who think they're American, who think that the American Constitution is Australian, um, but we'll get to that in other videos. So in this video I thought I would react to a sovereign citizen versus the judge video. I just find this stuff absolutely fascinating. As you can see, um, I'll leave a link to the original the original video, sorry, below. Um, all right, so let's have a look.
Interrupt the judge, whether you're a flat earther or not.
I'm not flat earth, sir.
All right, well, this crazy stuff you're saying, I've got very little patience for it.
Next, we go to Centerville, Michigan for a preliminary hearing. 66-year-old Rosalind Keenan has been charged with resisting and obstructing a police officer and driving with a suspended license.
So one thing I've noticed with all these sovereign citizen people is they don't respect or recognize the law, and if they don't consent to being arrested, then they'll resist. And for whatever reason, they don't carry a driver's license. So I think the terminology they use is, if they have a driver's license, they have a contract with the government, so they're anti-government, and whatever. But yeah, let's have a look.
The resisting and obstructing charge, a felony, is punishable by up to 2 years in prison, while driving with a suspended license, a misdemeanor, could land her in jail for an additional 93 days.
So why wouldn't you just, get a license and, drive with a license? You're going to end up in jail for, whatever reason.
Keenan is free on $10,000 bond, and today she appears without an attorney before Judge Jeffrey Middleton to discuss next steps in the case.
Are you Rosalind Ray Keenan?
I'm here as a sui juris impropria persona, Rosalind hyphen Ray colon family of Keenan, comma beneficiary.
Keenan
Seriously, it's just, they have a script. Apparently there are YouTube channels and Facebook pages where you can go learn to do all this. I haven't found a video where a sovereign citizen wins an argument with either a judge or a police officer. Generally, with the police officers, they end up being dragged out of the car and arrested, which is sad and funny at the same time. But let's keep going.
appears to be making a sovereign citizen argument by refusing to identify herself to the judge.
I'm here under fraud, menace, and duress.
Judge Middleton checks in with the state prosecutor, David Marvin.
Mr. Marvin, is there a plea offer here?
What I would do is offer an attempt resisting and obstructing and dismiss count 2. And if there's no other incidents with law enforcement or any other reason to continue, I would dismiss this.
So she's got an opportunity. The lawyer, the prosecutor is like, well, we're happy to do this, we're happy to do that. Let's see what she does.
What would you like to do?
Are you asking me to take a plea?
I'm asking you if you're willing to accept the prosecutor's plea offer.
I don't understand that.
Mr. Marvin, let's just put
I'm
on
not
a
playing
plea.
games. I'm serious.
You are playing games, and first of all,
I'm
you don't.
trying to advance.
All right, stop.
Here.
You don't interrupt the judge, whether you're a flat earther or
I'm
not.
not flat earth. Sir.
All right. Well,
It's funny. So the judge equates her beliefs to the same as being a flat earther.
this crazy stuff you're saying, I've got very little patience for it.
And how would you be as a judge? It's like, you get these people that apparently some of the sovereign citizen movement is based on laws from many years ago. So that a lot of them will say, oh, I'm just traveling, which is a clause somewhere in an American law that says own a right to travel. But obviously you still need a driver's license if you're driving a car, but which is right. They do have the right to travel. But you still need to have a license.
You don't have an attorney, which concerns me because these charges could result in your incarceration.
May I ask what jurisdiction? Is this civil or criminal?
She should know by now. It's like, the judge will be rolling his eyes going, oh, what's your jurisdiction? Well, you're in a criminal court and you're facing a felony. So that's pretty, self-explanatory.
This is a criminal case, which points out the fact that you could use a lawyer if you can't tell the difference between a civil and a criminal case.
Love it. The judge just rips into her, hey, look, if you don't know the difference, why don't you have a lawyer?
I have to know the jurisdiction this court is operating under.
Stop.
Sixth Amendment grants me the right to know the jurisdiction being applied.
All right, stop. If you interrupt me one more time, I'm going to find you in contempt and you're going to go to jail.
Objection, please.
All right, I find that you're in contempt.
Really didn't listen. Oh, objection. No, you're in contempt.
You're going to jail.
I'm simply
This matter
trying
is
to
adjourned
exercise
until tomorrow
my
at
Sixth
3
Amendment
o'clock.
rights, please.
So you can think about it
We can go
overnight in
forward
jail.
with this right now, please.
No, you're going to
I do
jail
not
for
wish to be
24
in
hours.
contempt.
I know you don't wish to
I don't want to go to jail. Well, you're going to jail.
go to jail, but you certainly
I will
earned it.
continue with this if you'll please let me finish.
We'll talk about it tomorrow, and you will be more respectful to the court.
I
I'm guessing she won't be more respectful to the court. I'm guessing she's not going to change her beliefs in the jail cell overnight.
will speak.
provide the
You will not interrupt the
citation.
court. Your citations are meaningless.
I'm sorry I
So you
interrupted
can go
You want to
with the
continue?
officer. I don't want to argue about it. Take
I'm
her
not
out of here. We
arguing.
will address this tomorrow at 3 o'clock.
The next day, after spending a night in jail,
I bet you she doesn't change her mind.
Keenan returns to court, but with a very different demeanor.
Would you like me to appoint an attorney for you?
Yeah.
Oh no, she's changed her mind.
All right, I'm going to appoint an attorney.
Thank you.
Keenan was released from jail, and Judge Middleton scheduled a follow-up hearing. The case is pending.
So she obviously wasn't crazy enough to go, oh, okay, I'm going to take on my beliefs for the sake of spending however long in jail. So that's really interesting. Once again, I find these sovereign citizen people ridiculously funny. Paranoid conspiracy theorists, whatever you want to call them. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of a sovereign citizen movement? Are you a sovereign citizen and believe in this crap? And if you are, leave your comments in the comments below. No judgment. All right, maybe a little bit of judgment. If you're interested in this kind of content, please like and subscribe to the video.